Hello and welcome to part 3 of this video series. Let's take a look at question 7. Now, the exciting thing here is that we actually only have one binomial, but it's really two in disguise because of the fact that it's being squared. And we know that exponents represent repeated multiplication. And so this x minus 7 here being squared really is just the x minus 7 in parentheses, multiplied by the x minus 7 in parentheses. Same thing written twice. And so you're able to tackle this either by just straight up distributing or the box method. I'm going to go ahead and just straight up distribute here. So x minus 7 multiplied by x minus 7. What colors do I want to use? You know what? Green sounds like a great color, and this tealy blue sounds like a great color. So let's use green first. The x gets multiplied by the x, and the x gets multiplied by the negative 7, and then, shocker, the same thing happens with the negative 7 multiplied by the x and multiplied by the other negative 7. And so, let's go ahead and do the x part first. The green x times x is just going to be x squared. X times negative 7 is going to be negative 7x. Negative 7 in teal here multiplied by x is negative 7x. And then negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. And so, combining our like terms and putting it all together, we have x squared minus 14x plus 49. And so, that matches up right here. Perfect. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and take a look at part 8. Part 8 is actually the same thing. X plus 11 all squared. And so let's go ahead and put it all together. So, boop, boop, boop. Love the red, blue, purple combination. It's really fun. So let's go ahead and write this out like we talked about before with the fact that we have one x plus 11 and then the other x plus 11. And so, this time I'm using the box. Boom, 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 boom. Successfully avoided sticky keys that time. Excellent. Personal growth. We have x plus 11. X plus 11. Same thing on both sides. Now we're just multiplying to get inside, right? And so let's go ahead and multiply x by x to get x squared. Let's go ahead and multiply the 11 times x to get 11x. And the 11 times x to get 11x. And then 11 times 11 to get 121. So put it all together, you end up with x squared plus 11 x plus 11 x plus 121. And so, at last but not least, we have x squared plus 22x from the 11 and the 11 together, plus 121. And so, following that through over here, our answer, the one we're looking for, is this bottom one. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me generalize this because this is also a really special pattern. So, what you're seeing here with that negative 7, it's no coincidence that the 14 is being doubled. What you're seeing here with the 11, it's no coincidence that the 22 is being doubled. Really, to use a variable, we have the x plus, and then you could use any variable you want, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use a here. All squared gives you the equation x squared plus 2ax plus a squared. What did I just write? Well, the a is being multiplied by 2 to get that middle number, like the 11 multiplied by 2 gave us 22, and then the a is being squared to get us that last number. And so this is a pattern, this is something you can memorize and will always work when you see x plus a squared, and that a represents any number, positive or negative. So keep in mind if it's negative though, that's actually a subtraction, right? So x minus a just means that you're multiplying a negative number here to get a negative 2a. So that's what happened here. We had a negative 7, so we got negative 14. Positive 2 times negative 7, negative 14. And so, ladies and gentlemen, the other thing I want to remind you guys that we talked about in the last video is x minus a and x plus a. And we talked about this in the last video being the difference of squares. If you see the same thing multiplied by itself with the only difference being the symbol in the middle, well, then you can memorize and know that that's x squared minus a squared. No middle term. Just the first one squared minus the second one squared. And so, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said and done, I hope that gave you the answers to your questions, but if not, please email me, reach out. I'll be glad to help you guys. Have a great week. I look forward to seeing you guys all later. Bye.